What up, guys? So I am about to hike a weird place. It's a water tank over there. There's two of them. There's this one right here, and there's one on the further right side, all the way on top. I'm just parked right here on the side of the street. So anyway, I'm not prepared at all. It wasn't planned. I wasn't even dressed up for that. You know, I'm wearing my new shoes and stuff. I'm gonna regret it probably. So anyway, it's gonna be fun. I've been seeing this spot so many times, and I just want to go climb that thing. You know, do a handstand or something, I don't know, and just get some cool drone shots of it. I have no water, which is one of the dumbest things you can do. And I'm gonna walk through this freaking thing. It's like Snake Planet, bro. Oh my god. Why? This is my car over there. Woo. It's a pretty cool view, but I have to go all the way up there. Why? Okay, so I found the first tower, water tank or whatever you call that, but it's not the one I wanted to visit. I don't even know there's a way up there. I don't think there is a way up there. There is not a way up there, but climbing the tube over there, the pipe. So I'm gonna take the drone out. I'm gonna fly it for a little bit, see where the other tank is. I think it's further this way, over there, but I'm not quite sure. So before I start walking up there, I want to make sure. But I think it is. I can't recall it when I was driving if it was this one. I think there was two. I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, I set up the drone right now. I'm gonna fly it, see if I find anything or not.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool, the kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking
all this for that. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now.
How real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Woo! You would not believe what just happened. So the remote was in the bag. I thought it was secured and stuff, right? The drone is flying over, recording me climbing. And I don't know, something went wrong. I don't know, I just pressed something. I don't know, whatever happened. The drone just started taking off straight into the wild. Anyway, got the drone back. I'm gonna set the camera out, take some shots, blah blah blah, you know, usual.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent, you deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your